welcome back to another video. It's your girl ℂ𝕆ℕ𝕋 back with a new nail video. I have a kit here from Gershion. It is their builder in a box kit. Basically, the polygel comes in a bottle that looks like a nail polish bottle. You apply it to your nails, you cure it, you shape it, and that is it, right? Like, peace of mind. Can you talk about peace of mind for a second? So let's get into the box. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn on those post notifications so you get every video that your girl drop, and also like this video. So taking that paper off, gonna crack the bad boy open. Let's see what's inside. Y'all, it's so many pretty colors in this kit. It's giving me real spring, like it's just giving me a vibe. So here, of course, in every kit you get a how-to manual, really quick, really simple, 9 steps. And it comes with nail forms and a filer. So here you have the top coat, the bottom coat, I mean the base coat. That's the base coat. The other one was the top coat, my bad. And this color is like a mint green type of color. I think it's cyan though. Cyan is the color that's on the box. That one was hard to open though. So pretty. And then we have the green. I'm telling you, it's giving you springtime. Like sweetie. Then we have light purple. Y'all know I love purple now. We have the natural pink. The colors are kind of similar to the first kit that I had, and I think this is the bean red. Yes. And then it's the blue. The colors are similar besides the vibrant colors, like the bean red and the natural pink. Those are similar to the 2 polygels that were in my last kit. So basically, here I went ahead and applied my nail tips, and I already applied the base coat and I cured it. Now I'm just going to add the polygel out of the tube. Well, not out of the tube, but out of, you know, apply it with the brush. Basically, you just add as many coats as you want to. I believe, I'm not sure if this one was the first coat. Yeah, I think this was the very first coat. And then I went ahead and I'll wait to get there. But basically, I will do the first coat, and then I will flash cure it for about 10 seconds in the light, in the LED light. And just so that it's going to stay in place and not like move anywhere. And then you add more coats as you want, so that the color, you know, gets to your liking, however, you know, light or dark that you want that color to be applied that you're using. And you just flash cure it, and then that's it. And then when you get to where you want, you continue with the rest. So for right now, I'm just gonna let y'all rock out and watch that bit. So after I got the polygel to the thickness that I liked, I went ahead and I filed my nails to give them, you know, that final shape. And I also kind of buffed out the top of them too. I don't know why I like to buff them. I guess just because from the videos that I've watched, I see them do that. So I say, okay, well, maybe I need to do the same thing. And then for some of them, I did have to go back and apply more polygel, just to make it a little thicker, and then file it down just a little bit just so that it was an even coat. And here are the nails done. I did this hand over actually because I didn't like how they came out. It was a little too short and too blocky, baby, but I didn't really want long nails this time, so I was like, okay, I need something more manageable. Yeah, long nails just, ooh, honey, they be cutting up. I think here I was going back just to add a little bit more polygel just to fill them in just a little bit. But yeah, this kit is so simple and easy to use. This is for the people that, and I mean, by all means, if you just apply it right the first time and you cure it and everything, you don't have to file it. You can just simply put it on, cure it, put it on, cure it, put it on, cure it, and then cure it for that full 60 seconds when you put the last coat, and then you just add the top coat and cure it, and then that's it. But I mean, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Don't ask me why I did it. But shout out to Gershion, because this is definitely a simplistic way to do your nails if you want something that's longer lasting on your nails instead of doing like acrylic. Definitely it's half the time of using acrylic. And what acrylic comes in a bottle that you can just apply to your nails? No acrylic. I'll wait. No. Here's the hand that I did not like. And I added jewels and everything, so I just did not like how they look. They were like too short and blocky. And I was just like, no, baby, little blocks on my fingers. So here's the other hand, and I like the way, I like that length better, so I did do my other hand over. So if you're interested in getting this builder in a bottle kit, the link will definitely be down in the description box. And thank you again to Gershion for sending me over this kit. I really love it, and Eb approves. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.